Hi, this is our dataset, and if you want to check if there is any duplicate in any of this area, so we just need to use conditional formatting. For conditional formatting, we will just highlight these cells and then go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cells tools and then duplicate cells. Then you have an option how do you want to see these duplicate cells. So I will select the first one and just see if there is any duplicate. So you can see there is Elias Smith twice, so it's highlighted. Similarly, if you want to check if there is any duplicate in email, then just go to emails, select this email, and again conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and duplicate values. Then again I will select second option, and now you can see there are 2-3 duplicates. Was alice@example.com, and you can see this email again, so it's highlighted again. In same way, I want to check this if there is a duplicate cell phone number. I will just highlight these cells, and if there is a duplicate, here you can see the duplicate is highlighted. And if you just want to check if it's working in whole scenario, you can just copy this, paste it here, and you see it's highlighted. Now there are two data sets, and I just want to check if there is any duplicate in between two data sets. I will first select this data set, and then I will select this data set, and then again I will go to conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. You can see Elias Smith appeared twice and it's highlighted again. You can see there is David green here and there is David green here, so it has highlighted these duplicate values